What siren are you hearing? A more pitched one.
Alright.
Can I have a delayed start?
Alright guys, so right now I'm behind the Old Village Hall in Barrington, Illinois, and that was pretty epic listening to that siren go off up close. And in fact, this is actually my first EOWS 612 that I've ever filmed before. But anyways guys, now we're going to get a close-up of the battery box, control box, and the square D breaker switch. So as you can see here, up there is where the actual siren is. There's a horn and 6 speakers up there. And down here got strobe lights. I think that's a Whelen strobe light if I'm not mistaken.
No, it's Federal Signal.
A Federal Signal? That makes... Do they make strobes?
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense, they do. Anyways, this box here is a battery box, and that basically like powers the whole thing. And as you can see, this is actually uses a serotonin controller, and these were actually one of the oldest controllers to be made in the electronic siren series. So there's the sticker right there that gives all the information about it. And up here, as you guys can see, if that sunlight isn't getting away, is a control box. And that does all 7 tones of the siren. In case you didn't know, the tones are steady, wail, or attack, and steady is alert, pulsed steady, pulsed wail, alternate steady, alternate wail, and and a lot of older controllers do Westminster chimes, but I think this one does whoop instead, because I saw this video one time of it doing whoop in 2005. So yeah, that's where the control box is, and it's kind of, and over here is the square D breaker switch this has. And
Turns it on.
yeah, that basically like turns the whole siren on. So if I were to shut that off before a siren were to test, it wouldn't function. And here's the pipe with the wire that runs below the ground. And yeah, so it's kind of like the battery box is the heart of this thing, and the control box is the brain, because as we all know, the heart is what, because without the heart in a human, of course, a human would die, and without the brain, a human wouldn't be able to think properly, and without,
Would also die.
yeah, also die, and with the battery, this thing would be able to work, and with the controls as the brain, they'd be able to do different functions. Like if you had a brain, you'd be able to do a lot of stuff with it. So yeah, guys, that is a close-up of the siren and interesting features that it has. So that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed.